If you could please announce your verdict.
Guilty.
Officer Jeffrey Nelson, guilty. Those words come after years of waiting for an outcome in a case that began on May 31st, 2019. Officer Nelson was attempting to arrest Jesse Sarey outside of an Auburn grocery store when he shot him once in the abdomen and again in the head after Sarey had already hit the ground. Nelson claims Sarey attempted to reach for his gun and his knife, but a witness picked the knife up off the ground and placed it on top of a nearby vehicle. It's not disputed that Nelson killed Sarey. Instead, the prosecution and the defense went back and forth in front of the jury about whether the shooting itself was justified under law, and the jury decided it was not. In the courtroom, Officer Nelson was taken into custody.
Justice!
And outside, Sarey's foster mother shared her relief to finally have a resolution, something she says Jesse's biological mom died waiting for.
She died waiting for justice. His younger brother, Terrell Sarey, has also died.
This is what justice looks like.
Those who were close to Sarey say it's been a long journey.
Nobody gave up hope.
Today's decision is what they've been calling for.
This is justice not only for the Sarey family, this is justice for Washington State.
Now that the trial is over, the city of Auburn says an internal administrative investigation into what happened can move forward, and the state Justice Criminal Training Commission will decide whether Officer Nelson's state certification should be revoked. Greg?
Natalie, I would imagine an appeal is coming.
Today, the defense team says they will file a motion for a new trial. Now, if the court decides to deny that, then the defense and the state will need to be ready for sentencing day. That's right now scheduled for July 16th. Greg?
All right, Natalie Swaby reporting in Kent tonight. Natalie, thank you again. Nelson's conviction makes him the first officer to be found guilty of murder since that law changed. King 5 law enforcement analyst and former King County Sheriff John Urquhart weighed in.
First of all, we don't see charges very often at all. And we certainly don't see homicide or even manslaughter charges very often. The last time a police officer was convicted of manslaughter was 1938. That's 86 years ago. This just doesn't happen very often. And I think it's a new day.